The energy in this room at the moment is like crazy. Like, I'm new to the industry and just trying to get my way into the industry, and this has literally been a godsend.
It was the business side of things that I was really struggling with. So coming here today and hearing more and more tips about how to do that and what to concentrate on and what not to concentrate on, absolutely invaluable.
Made friends.
Connection. Yeah. We met each other in the street. Literally. We met each other at the front door.
Yeah.
I've had a booking. I've booked one of the customers in, so that's a booking for me. So that's nice.
I've had some brand pictures taken as well.
Yeah.
Have you had yours taken?
Yeah, brand pictures as well.
The talk for me was really good as well. The talk on scaling up.
We can't wait for WEDCON 2025.
Oh, sorry.